welcome back to my morning report analysis videos. With me, Richard, Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday the 7th of July with non-farm payrolls day today. This is a really interesting chart. I keep talking about this sort of stepped advance on dollar yen, and it's happened again, whereby you get the breakout, you get a subsequent sort of consolidation, few sort of small-bodied indecisive candles, and then subsequently a breakout to the upside. We had the morning breakout today on the back of this candle here, on the back of operations by the Bank of Japan to buy unlimited amount of 10-year JGBs, and that sort of continues the easy monetary policy or process of easy monetary policy that the BOJ sort of has, and that's weakened the yen quite significantly today, and the market continues to pull higher on dollar yen. It's sort of the corrections are being bought into, little consolidations are a chance to buy. You've got the strength of the momentum. RSI now basically at 70. I think a test of the May high is in going to be seen, 1435. A couple of May highs there. Interesting that the May high was 73 on the RSI. 72.90, but 73 basically. So there is a little bit more in that move to get until it gets to that level, but it is a fairly limiting move in the fact that if the market isn't on a huge trend, then I think that could start to become a limiting factor. Now, this all depends on whether dollar yen is now sort of trending sharply higher, and in a move similar to what we saw sort of November to December, or whether it's going to sort of continue to be arguably this sort of range play, and start to find resistance again. I'm not 100% convinced that the dollar yen is going to be moving sharply higher. I think it could be still a range play, and I think until you get a decisive sort of trend higher, I don't think you can really sort of suggest that it is going to be going sort of back to test the highs again, 1865, which is what we saw in December. But for now, we are breaking higher, and a test of the 1435 May high seems to be in the process. Now, what we have is payrolls today, so a strong payrolls report would certainly be dollar positive, and that could begin to sort of generate the momentum for the uptrend to really develop. But for now, I'm still sort of fairly sort of suspect as to whether that's going to be the case. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.